All right. Today, we're going to level up your Korean with a phrase that goes way beyond a simple yes. We're talking about how to say, of course, with real punch and confidence. Let's jump right in.
Okay, so picture this. It's a super common situation, right? A friend asks you for a hand with something. Now, you have a choice. You could give them a totally fine, standard answer, or you could give an answer that just radiates enthusiasm and support. You see the difference? It's not just yes, it's yes. Today, we're learning the Korean way to give that great answer.
So, what is this magic phrase? It's 그럼 당연하지. Trust me, this is about to become your new favorite way to show you're 100% on board.
This little phrase is your go-to for expressing total certainty with zero hesitation. Seriously, think of it as the ultimate yes. It has this built-in feeling of, are you kidding? The answer is obviously yes.
So, how does it work? What are the building blocks that give it so much power? Let's take it apart piece by piece and see what's going on inside.
Okay, so first up, you've got 그럼, which kind of means then or sure. Next is 당연하, which means to be natural or to be obvious. And it ends with 지, which is this little ending that confirms something is true. So when you put it all together, you're literally saying, then it's an obvious thing. It's like saying, why would you even need to ask? Yes.
All right, theory's great, but let's see how this phrase actually works in a real conversation. Pay attention to these because they're perfect examples you can just memorize and start using right away.
Okay, so imagine your friend asks you, 우리가 친구야? Are we friends? The absolute perfect, reassuring answer is 그럼 당연하지. It just completely shuts down any doubt. It's like saying, of course we are. Don't be silly. And this is such a fantastic way to give someone a real shot of encouragement. They're feeling down, they ask, 성공할 수 있을까? Can I succeed? And you hit them with 그럼 당연하지. You're not just saying yes, you're injecting them with confidence.
And get this, it's not just for saying yes. It's super versatile. You can use it to say a really strong no, too. By saying 아니, 당연히 아니지, you're making it crystal clear that the answer is of course not. It's super direct.
And here's a fun little pop culture tidbit for you. This phrase became a total legend in Korea because of this famous TV game show. The whole point was people would say crazy or embarrassing things to you and you had to respond with, of course. If you hesitated for even a second, you are out.
Okay, you've seen how it works. Now it's your turn. I'm going to throw a situation at you and you figure out the best way to respond. Ready? First one. Your best friend just called. They've got 2 tickets to see your all-time favorite K-pop group. What do you say? There's really only one right answer here.
Yes, that's the one. You'd say, 그럼 당연하지, with all the excitement you can muster. It tells them it's not even a question.
All right, let's switch gears. A more formal setting. You're at work. Your boss comes over and asks if you can get that big report finished by the end of the day. How do you answer with confidence but also respect?
그럼요, 당연하죠. It shows respect, it shows you're capable, and it tells your boss, yep, consider it done.
Okay, last thing, and this is maybe the most important part. We need to really understand the deep emotional meaning packed into this one little phrase. It is so much more than just the words on the surface.
So let's think about this situation. A really close friend is in a tight spot and asks to borrow some money. How you say yes here can change everything about the conversation.
So you could just answer with, which is a basic yes. It's fine. It's a transaction. But if you answer with 그럼 당연하지, you're communicating something so much deeper. You're saying, for you, of course. It's not even a question. You're reinforcing your trust, your support, and your friendship.
And that's really the heart of it, you know? When you use this phrase, you're not just agreeing, you're showing conviction, you're showing emotion. You are strengthening your connection with the person you're talking to.
So there you have it. A really powerful, really useful phrase to add to your Korean toolkit. It can make a huge difference in your conversations. So now the only question left is, who are you going to try it out on first? Thanks for watching.